Kucoin is introducing a new feature, which is the cloud mining feature, and it's set to be starting very soon. So as you can see here, this is a pop-out after launching the app and logging in. So reserve your spot and be part of KuMining now. Well, do we need to do anything? Let's click on join. Simple mining. Get started. Choose your coin and lock in your spot. Secure hash power. Select your hash power and plan duration. Enjoy your field. Got it. I'm saying reserve a spot between 20th. All right, reserving a spot will open on the 20th of October. That's for BTC, and the yield rate is 109.83. Then there is the Doge also opening on the 20th of October. The yield rate is 107%. I guess those are the only pools. Is there any other thing about us? Made for everyone. We're decentralizing hash power. Anyone can mine and earn. Tap to start real hash. Okay, so it's not yet time, right? It's opening in 1 day, 13 hours and some seconds. So my mining, there is nothing. There's no data, no active cloud mining. Orders, there's also nothing. All right, so I do not have any order running, suspended or so on. So guys, let's hope that this will go on to be something to write home about. So I don't know what will require of me to secure a spot. Doesn't mean I'll need to buy something. It looks like if you click on this little eye here, it will tell you that this plan allows you to mine both Doge and LTC simultaneously. Well, that's that. So it means this one allows you to mine only BTC. I guess that's it for the KuMining feature, which is a pretty new feature coming to KuCoin. So every other thing I think is working the way it was, right? So if you're not on KuCoin already, I'll leave my invite link in the pinned comment so you can jump on it, register, and be ready to start mining when the KuMining feature opens very soon. But you need to reserve a spot, right? So you do that in a day and some hours. So that's it, guys. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.